Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Dần like anime cái này Dark Thum về I don't know. Oh, okay, come on. In Kenya hay England le no way. Quarter final. Mo. England thì còn chân lắm. TV chú mù ăn phal là cho vào cái mù vắt lẩu xuống á. Phal lẩu khai anh em miêu à, cho vào cái tỷ lệ khai thiêng nữa. Chú. England này nó về cái em bé cả. Dark Thum mà được xếp lên dần lại. Charlotte, come on. Okay, come on. Goal lo. Goal lo hết. Alrighty. Đậu về. Out là bá. Hydration break. Come on, man. Come on, England, please win this. Dark Thum mà don't to he. Dần lại mo. World Cup. Chú mà gì? It's foggy, bro. It's foggy. Dark Thumนี่ว่าsẽ cả là hạt cốp mấy có một tí là chua rồi mo. Cả là hạt cốp mấy. Tôi hẳn. Anh kể tôi chânตัว. Come on, England. Goal eh? No way, yeah win. The goal.
Kane still not back on his feet, and it's a goal for Norway.
Cái goal.
Andreas Schelderup.
Khi phone lấy mình thì ở cái hand phone cái gì à? À và hậu ô 1-0 mình.
I think Pickford moves his hand away. I think he thinks it's going for a goal kick. I don't know. It's a great
Chọc
goal.
đua lớn này.
Fucking hell! Fuck's sake!
1-0 no way.
I don't think it's a foul on Kane. I don't think it's a foul on Kane. I don't think it will get given. And I think it's a cross by Schelderup. It's like Ronaldinho
Okay,
in
hand phone
2002. I think he's fucking fluked that, to be honest. But I don't think it's the same as Martinez. I think it's a goal.
Fuck this man.
Fucking hell!
Come on, England, wake up, man, wake up.
You know
1-0 England.
what?
Ah,
You know
zero.
where
No
England
way.
made a mistake there?
No way, one. England
Kane's
0.
gone down, and we've gone
this man.
foul.
Goal.
What a goal!
1-1.
Absolutely brilliant, out
Bellingham.
of nothing. The lights off. The lights are going.
Bellingham bay goal. Cái tiền bắt gì đó.
Brilliant goal, right on half time. That's magic. That's
1-1.
magic.
Come on, 1-1.
That's
Bellingham,
magic.
bay goal á. Makani.
Oh.
No way,
Anthony
one, England
Gordon,
won.
well done as well. He just made a right
Bellingham
mistake,
cho fan chặt tiền tại cái mình.
but
He's
he
the
does the
savior of
right
England.
thing here. Out on the wing.
Cái tiền là bóng goal
Lovely
thằng
ball
Chu
into
tiền là
Bellingham.
cái háo
First
xuống.
touch is a killer.
Anh phát lời tuy quen tiền làm
Great
cho bóng
finish on
tiền
the
là
left
bóng.
foot. This guy's
One,
world
oh,
class.
guys.
It's on the left foot.
What
What a
finish,
goal.
man. Look at this man. Goal mới cầm này. Bellingham. 1-1. Let's go.
And that is absolutely well timed.
Bellingham.
Oh, we can
When
breathe. We can breathe. We do not want to be going in at half time
1-1.
thinking about a long second half, trying to get back into the game. He's furious.
let's go come
He's
on
thrown his ball. But I tell you what,
Margin and
England have got problems. I mean, they are still there.
มีดินี่ไอ้เบลินเบลนัว
Rice,
นี่สมนิประสิทธิ์นั่น
Madueke.
half time เจ็บตัวทันนี่สมนิ
I
ปัง
think
เลย
these are changes
เด็ก
that
นี่
need
เป็น
to
แบบป
happen
นินเนี่ย
unless England can
นี่
get
เป็น
the
แบบปนิน
tails up a little bit.
นี่เป็นแบบปนินน่ะอันเขียนเมกอะ
Bellingham's the guy. Get
Half time
Bellingham on the ball.
ชุดเต๋อ
Kane,
safe
don't
safe
shoot Kane.
ฮาริเกนอยู่
What are you doing, Kane?
ฮาริเกนตัวฮันสุดท้ายมา
He
เซฟบอล
thinks he's close again. Ooh, you fucking.
การดาร์ทุ่มเลยไม่สมตัว
What is wrong with
อัน
you?
เนี้ยกันละ
You weren't
มาเป็น
close.
เส้นคอมเมกันจริง
I said it's as
You know,
relentless Rosa. Yeah,
you
some
don't
of you are a
feel
lot more relaxed about it than me.
End up on the
Endo's available on the bench in a Sportcast as 2A. He's coming home, never in doubt.
May
Says
ang zoom mo to
Hansa.
mo.
How embarrassing,
Hindi ko
one
pala
shot, pathetic, says Hansa. I think that was before
Try
the goal.
half-time by
He wasn't
one,
fit for
yeah.
Arsenal's last 10 games, says Jared.
Half-time.
Norway fans
On
must have been
half-time
doing the
don't
row
do-
outside England's hotel last night. We looked tired, says Chris.
นี่สมนิปังเลย
England slower than a snail's funeral. We need some pace, says Rishab. And that goal did come from pace. And that's a lovely ball into.
Come on, go doon ang ball ko ya.
Come on, this is the last chance for our time.
Go doon ang ball ko ya. Akala tuan. Pass it to
Dan says Sorloth
Andy
on the wing is
Anderson.
useless. It's like putting Kane
Belling.
there. I don't understand why they
Rice,
do that.
Declan
But
Rice.
apparently it's for the long diagonal.
Bellingham, Kane,
Get Mainu on, says more.
Goal.
It's Kane!
offside him.
Is
Offside,
he
offside.
onside? He's offside!
Hurricane ang pego naman sa
He's
offside.
offside.
Come on, kau dia.
You better be right with that flag, or you can
Offside,
ram it
no?
right up your arse.
Oh, offside ni ha.
Oh, it's
Hello,
close.
Masat.
He's
Good
right.
news from
Linesman's
Kane, bro.
right. Damo says I'd love Norway
Ano,
Switzerland
check ang
semi.
ni pego lah. Half time Martin.
Would you ever do F1 watch?
Juan Masay.
I have done.
Offside tak cuba 1-1. Hurricane
Oh
yan.
man.
Ito win
Man,
si
oh, man.
ba?
We've got 33,000 watching.
1-1.
Please do
Come on,
share the
man.
video. It's half time. Thoughts on that
Come on,
half?
man.
Oh, I
Half
tell
time.
you what, I'm very happy. Bellingham team.
Dua han second half anh chân lại chia. England là nó mấy mà. 1-1 luôn đi á. Second half anh chân lại đậu chia. Report kan page rồi. Phone hoa lên. Đã thum lệ, mình sống thum pa. Quá vel rồi. Second half anh chân chia. Let's eat. Phẳng mà. Cucumber. Can refreshment, he can refreshment. Nice. Minutes of ngon bên kia để tụi biết không phải phương mà là nice ha sút tiêu đi hậu về Sakazu no way Bego lại tổ 2-1 anh clear thì luôn đâu anh Bego được chết rồi con ở trong follow chút đi anh offside điểm gì offside những gì à offside đâu meeting ấy Big Four thì anh sẽ phá tiền anh sẽ phá son i anh tap in ang dawin anh tilu tan over hoin con là trăng mà sẽ offside biết thế cái chiang nào Norway chui mình one year VAR and don referee VAR and don tôi hay fall bao anh check bao lâu fall ở mình thì đâu bao VAR anh lấy khi fall em mình tía Haaland ni Anderson à anh ấy có gì Anderson anh em à tu a fall anh tía a fall em anh nói nè
Bodies down as Odegaard sends it in. Sorla was up, fall up, save, rebound is in! Norway are celebrating. It's
number 9 of Norway pushed deliberately the defender before the ball was in play. Final decision, corner retaken.
Bodies down as Odegaard sends it in. Sorla was up, fall up, save!
bóng đầu Haaland kan alo nem no goal VAR check offside pang tun ani lawa foul lampang goal hatangin I no way I an thuna mo chu ase Haaland khan Anderson hi alo nem ta anem dan khan hi anem foul anh ti ta no goal mà con rồi anh đã lấy hai đôi no way thôi anh tí goal lấy hai cho mặc không Haaland khai thì Anderson khai lâu nên mà cho bằng cái foul anh tia của con là con cho bằng cái goal khai phong tại là ôi vào anh chắc dấu hết toàn biết sống ngập nó sẽ bị lên kẹt đó mà sao con nào chú anh tay để khai tôi nó vậy thôi anh thu lên hai tôi sống của mấy come on đừng đến ngồi để hoa là cái gì là kia đâu cha this was gì na Darley trap đây tôi nói như là anh kia giàu chia mình sắm qua chuyên kia giàu chia mà sẽ anh lên cho vào cái nguồn anh đi chắc dọc anh làm nó vào cái anh lên hết tôi cho vào cái extra time mình sắm tum tăng anh kia đấy luôn đi tôi hắn bỏ no way in bad goal nó tiểu đâu bad goal tiểu nó bad goal tiểu nó đây này corner trong để bóc in crossbar thì đá ball với cả về tên khớp này cho tụi là anh Joshua anh sẽ có số một England chân sẽ hoặc là chuyện này chân sẽ một tục anh ấy hoặc là sẽ có anh kia sẽ một England thì sẽ có như này nó ngồi lệ England anh Joe anh ngồi như thế này extra time kia don't see extra time kia don't make anything 90 minutes dấu chia cho rồi có chuyện là anh này tôi lái tàu có mấy xin càng có chân đồn đa đi để chân để biết tôi qua phố hay vào đón chân à phố tàu mà qua phố hay chú mi gì biết cả một bà xe mỗi đứa có mấy ông đã khỏe không đã đi mà yes come on baby come on Bellingham again
Intervelling into Morgan Rogers. Rogers lets fly. It's 2-1 England. Once again on the follow-up. Morgan just short.
Then we have to do it. Set up it. But it's not. This is what I'm Norway làm goalkeeper tỷ số ra là Nyland. Norway goalkeeper Nyland là tỷ số ra là Oka i ago lan chu Morgan Rodgers ana shota chunin Nyland an se khama se alo Manpera chunin Bellingham aba kana chunin aba tap in mo chuanin England kan li te Bellingham pe goal to khat. Let's go bro. Bellingham, come on man. Come on, you England. Come on. Bellingham, let's go. 2-1 England. Nên sớm có bằng ngang kia rồi. Extra. Xoay cao đến extra time kia vậy cả. Try, come on. Bellingham again, man. Bellingham is so good. And that's the final whistle. Top chia tôi han. England nắn chặt sao mà 2-1. England Norway 1, England 2. 2-1 kan saka. Hey, kuha po. Ay, alaw, ngiter to. Ang parang to mo sumi na omtal sara. So, dangale atan ve, dangale may sangi panir to han. Jing dangale may sangi timo. Katlay parang chuni hi. Hey. Kuha ngiter to. It's all right now. Disin ka chuan a pola. Tu chuan a parang to kuha to. England kan ta sai come on England. I semifinal lah Argentina yang Switzerland atau so kan cuma ngah. Let's go, come on man, England, come on man, it's coming, come on baby. Ani ule, bye, thank you for watching my vlog.